my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know it. In my dreams I said I know that I can. So baby, please don't let me blow. Baby, please don't let me blow. You can't do this, but I know that I can. You gotta do this from the heart. You won't do this, you won't start. I just gotta play the cards in my hand.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Alright guys, so as I told you guys before, and like kind of like the update video and stuff like that, we do have a new upgrade for the car, and it is going to be the Cobra brakes. I looked a lot of places for these, man. I looked for different brake upgrades. You know, a lot of people are going to tell me about the ATS upgrade. I already know about that upgrade. It doesn't pay off that much, you know. It's just the wow factor, you know, of having Brimbos on your car. They're not as good as like the huge Brimbos that come on like the S550s, like the 6-piston and stuff like that. You know, you got to understand they're on the smaller end of the Cadillac. They're not like on the CTS and stuff like that. They're on the ATS. So they're not that good of a brake. You know, I don't really need that much overkill on brakes. I just kind of wanted to do a little bit of an upgrade, which these Cobra brakes will do. It's over the 1-piston to a 2-piston design, and we're going from 11-inch rotor to a 13-inch rotor. That 2-inch difference on the rotor will make a big difference, man. If you don't believe that 2 inches will make a big difference, just ask your girlfriend. All right, that was a little cringy. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys right now what the ones I actually got. Now, don't, you know, come at me dirty for this. These are actually remanned. These are remanned through AutoZone. So I actually got these through AutoZone, and it comes with the calipers and the brakes themselves. And these things look absolutely brand new. I have the other ones inside. There's no need to show both of them, but you know, you guys can see the dual piston right there. And yeah, and then we got the caliper. The caliper bracket. And this is the banjo bolt and the hardware that we need. That's basically it, man. There's not really too much to it. We are going to be getting these painted. I was gonna do like a royal blue, but I'm planning on doing a wrap for the car and royal blue, and the wrap that I want to do, it might, you know, offset too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do the calipers red, a nice metallic red, white Cobra letters. That's what we're gonna do from there, man. So yeah, I cannot wait to get these brakes on, man. For it's not really a full drag car. I posted in a Facebook group and everyone's giving me shit because I said I wanted better braking and stuff like that, and they saw that I'm on skinnies. Everyone's like, oh well, it's not gonna be good for drag racing. Well, the car is not just a drag car, man. It's gonna be a street and drag car. Whenever I put, you know, front tires on, you know, I know that front tires come in, like, they play a big role in braking and stuff like that, and skinnies and bigger brakes, you know, they don't really match. So eventually this car is not gonna be on a drag pack forever. I'm probably gonna put some probably like some 295, 285 Toyota Proxys back on it very, very soon. I mean, not very soon, but you know, whenever I want to street drive the car and stuff like that. So like I said, man, it's not gonna be a drag car forever. It's not just a drag car, you know. It's a weekend street drag, you know, car. So yeah, man, and not even just that. Like these 1-piston calipers, you know, they're not really too appealing to the eyes with those welds in there, man. So those Cobra brakes are gonna look damn good in the back. I mean, in the front. And I actually ordered some drilled and slotted rotors too. So I ordered drilled and slotted rotors for the front and the back because I've been getting like a squeaky noise from the back when I'm driving. Is wee 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 wee, and then when you drive faster, you know, it starts squeaking more. I kind of figure it's the brakes because when I press on the brakes, you know, it goes away. So I'm really hoping that, you know, fixes it. So yeah, man, today's video I wanted to show you guys the brake. Today I'm going to be actually taking the brakes off the back, you know, removing them, and then we're gonna clean them up and we're gonna give them to my boy that's gonna actually paint the front calipers. He's gonna do the rears for me too, because you know, when I painted them, I did kind of just half-ass them. You know, I didn't do them that good. And you know, I want the brakes to match. So yeah, man, we're gonna make them look nice, and they're gonna look nice, and they're gonna match the front. So yeah, man, that's what we're gonna do right now. I wanted to show you guys real quick. I actually just bought this thing today. All right. The screen looks like it got it messed up already. So this is the GoPro Hero 8. Oh, maybe it's just my puller. Yeah, it's just my glasses. This is the GoPro Hero 8. I just literally just bought this thing today, man, and we are gonna shoot a little POV on it right now. Show you guys taking the wheels off and stuff like that. And yeah, man, I can't wait. So we'll see you guys on the GoPro. All right, guys, so here we are now. We are all filming on the GoPro Hero 8 now, and I want to start the car up real quick for you guys before, you know, the battery actually dies on this thing, because I forgot to disconnect it. Oh my god, I thought the battery was dead already. So we're gonna hop in this thing real quick, see if it's still got some life in it. Fires right up. You guys can see me. Yes, sir. So we're gonna let it run for a little bit, and the exhaust is gonna be changing up very soon, boys. I wanna, you know, I'm getting rid of the stingers. I wanna go louder. So if you guys, you know, have any idea of what I'm gonna do, please drop a comment down below and let me know what you guys think I'm gonna do. But you know, I've been tired of the quiet already. Yeah, man, I wanna go back to being loud. So, you know, like I said, it's not a daily driver anymore, so I don't really care about being loud or, you know, it being drony or anything like that. So yeah, man, I wanna go back to being loud. So that is very soon. You guys can look forward to that as well as I am. I'm super stoked to go back to being loud. But yeah, man, while this thing's warming up, we'll get the jack and the jack stands ready, and yeah. All right, now that she's warmed up pretty good, we can go ahead and shut her off just to get some charge, you know, in the battery, because it's gonna be sitting for a while, a couple days. Cut that off. And before we jack this thing up, man, I'm gonna go ahead and break these things loose, and then we'll get them off with the impact and get these tires off. So have you guys ever had that squeaking coming from the back? Please let me know. You know, we're gonna check out how used these brakes are right now, see if it's the brakes or not. But yeah, we're gonna check that out right now. Hopefully it's not like a bearing or something, for, you know, from launching so hard. You know, doing the burnouts and stuff and holding the brakes without like a line lock would definitely, you know, put more stress on the rear brakes than usual. So it started squeaking more, you know, after the strip. So, you know, I've been wanting to do some drilled and slotted rotors anyways, man. So it's about that time. I actually just got a brand new Milwaukee tool also. I got myself a little 3/8" ratchet, the fuel one. So, you know, that's why I was charging my batteries right here. Can't wait to use these. I'm actually gonna use them right now, actually. Love these power tools, man. They come in so clutch. Jeez. Yes, sir. Gotta get it high enough to get the jack stands underneath there. Perfect. I don't know about y'all, but I'm always worried about lowering my car on jack stands. I don't know why. Now we lower down slow. Nice and slow. Oop. Now she's properly supported. I love this jack, by the way. We'll give her a good little shake. Make sure she's good. Yes, sir. That ain't going anywhere. And if any of y'all know, I have so much freaking problems with these damn lug nuts, man. If any of y'all know an easy way of getting them off and on, like, they're coming off easy now, but like putting them on with the washers and stuff, it's just so annoying. I've already broken like 3 studs with this fucking thing because they don't go on right. That stud looks already, yeah, you guys can see the washer right here. I'm not sure if they put it on wrong, but find out right now. Take our light wheel off. Washer. Hate those damn things, man. I wish I could go back to regular lug nuts. Welds are life. Yeah, the studs still look good. But yeah, man, you guys can see these rotors are freaking shot. They are definitely, you know, in time for an upgrade. And you know, the paint doesn't look too bad on these, but you know, they've seen better days. So right now, man, we're just gonna get the caliper off, get this rotor off, and then, you know, our rotor should be in next week. So we're gonna package these things up and get ready for my boy Tommy. And yeah, man, so we're gonna get these things off real quick, and we'll show you guys right now. The only thing that sucks about working in your car when you film now with YouTube and stuff like that is you can't have music in the background. Yeah, I can't listen to my tunes no more while I'm working on my cars. That's what I do for you guys, so please drop a big thumbs up on this video. If you guys enjoy, you know, the content, you guys enjoy, you know, me working for you guys. But yeah, man, this car's been being awesome. I want to make it to the track at the end of this month for sure. So Need to figure out what we can do about, you know, getting some more suspension in here. I want to change these shocks, change my upper and lower control arms, and you know, that's about it. And we should be able to get to the track. So this thing is stuck on here. Oh, I think my freaking, yeah, I'm stupid. Freaked me out the first time I took these brakes off and saw how tiny they were. Okay, there's a lot of brake pads still, so I don't know why this thing's squeaking. Tons of brake pad actually. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the brakes anyways, guys. I already ordered them, so yeah. You guys can see the grooves on the freaking, on these brakes from, you know, the rotor. This rotor needs to be changed like ASAP though. I need to figure out how to get this caliper apart so I can take it to him. Bruh. This thing got to go. Alright guys, so I ended up getting the parking cable off, the brake line off, and it's currently leaking freaking brake fluid all over the place. But you know, these are the calipers right here. I'm not sure if they're getting stuck, you guys. That's why I'm getting that squeak from the back. You know, I just called O'Reilly's, and you know, I called around looking for the shops and stuff. And you know, it's only like $100 after the core charge without the brackets, which my brackets are totally fine without the brackets. So I'm only gonna be paying like $110 for brand new calipers in the back. You know, I don't see why I wouldn't just replace them, you know what I mean? But I'm putting new calipers in the front. I might as well just put new calipers in the back so I never have to worry about them. You know, again, for the lifespan of the car that I'm gonna have them for. And I really just want that squeak gone, man, because it's driving me insane driving when I drive forward, and it's squeaking really, really loud. So I'm gonna go pick up those calipers right now, and then we'll pick the vlog right back up tomorrow when we go drop off these calipers to Tommy. My boy Tommy's gonna spray these things and they're gonna look freaking amazing. So I'm gonna pick up these calipers, man, and I'll pick the camera back up tomorrow. What's going on, guys? We're back. We're in the truck right now, and we are headed to the shop right now to go drop these calipers off. Yeah, man, it's a hot one today. We're gonna get to the shop real quick, drop these things off, and I can't wait to see them get done, man. So let's fast forward till we get over there, and then update you guys. Yo, what's going on, fam? We're back, and I'm not gonna waste any time, man. I'm super satisfied with how these came out. They look freaking amazing, and you know, without me telling you guys, just check them out, man. Here are my brand new Cobra brakes.
I just wanna flex, diamond shining all around my neck, yeah. I swear that I'm next. She just wanna fuck me for a check, yeah. I'm off the Addy to keep me up. My nigga Ian said keep it up. Remember they didn't believe in us. Niggas they fake, I see through them. She wanna fuck now cause I'm up. I wanna cop that Bentley truck. BP when I back it up. She got ass so I'ma fuck. These niggas they mad as fuck cause they ain't getting no bucks. Now I'm up, she wanna cuff. Told that bitch she out of luck. Left that hoe right in the dust.
So yeah, guys, as you guys can tell, man, from those shots, these brakes came out freaking phenomenal. As you guys can tell, I went with the black and red scheme instead of just all red, and I'm really glad I did. You know, it just kind of offsets the brakes a little bit more instead of just having them all red. And you guys can see over here the rear calipers is literally brand new. The brackets are reused, but you can't even tell. My boy sandblasted them and stuff, and man, they look freaking brand new. Wow, I almost dropped them. That's gonna go ahead and do it for this little video on my Cobra brakes, man. I'm super excited to have these. I wish I could put them on right now, man. As you guys can tell, the car is still on jack stands, leaking brake fluid on my driveway. But yeah, man, I wish I could put them on, but my rotors and my brakes aren't in yet. So they should be in by next video. Next video we'll be installing them, getting rid of these ugly 11-inch single piston brakes, and we're gonna be switching over to that dual piston beautiful Cobras. I'm probably gonna let the brakes sit out here. They sat overnight. I'm probably gonna let them sit out here for a little bit just so they could cook a little bit more in the sun. Yeah, man, they're freaking absolutely beautiful. They have that clear coat on them, so they literally shine. They're literally so beautiful, man. So yeah, guys, I want to thank y'all so much, you know, for viewing this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit that like button. If you guys are brand new, hit that subscribe button, or consider subscribing if you guys are new. Yeah, we have a lot more stuff to come. I want to take the car to the strip very soon. We have a lot more things, you know, to do to the car. So if you guys are interested in that, hit that subscribe button. Like I said, make sure you put that bell on for post notifications. And yeah, man, we'll see you guys on the next video. It's your boy 4.6Chris. We're headed out, man. Peace.
I'm off the Addy to keep me up. My nigga Ian said keep it up. Remember they didn't believe in us. Niggas they fake, I see through them. She wanna fuck now cause I'm up. I wanna cop that Bentley truck.